Today I'm making a super crispy and delicious snack with corn and suji that you can prepare in just a few minutes. Ingredients: 1 cup corn kernels boiled, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 1 green chili, finely chopped, 1/2 tsp oregano, 1/2 tsp chili flakes, 1/4 tsp black pepper powder, 1/2 tsp pink salt, 2 cup suji, semolina, 2 tablespoon cornflour, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Mix everything well and slowly add water to make a thick batter. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes so the suji absorbs water. Heat in a pet pan or small pan and grease it lightly with oil. Pour spoonfuls of the batter into the pan and cook on medium flame until golden and crispy on both sides. Serve hot and enjoy these Crispy Corn Suji Bites with ketchup or chutney. If you liked this quick and crunchy snack, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.